If you're younger than 20, there has always been someone in space your entire life. Hey curious kids, Kevin here. Today on A Place Called Space, we are going to talk about the unbroken streak of humans being in outer space. Yes, so ever since October 31st, that's Halloween, 2000, we've always had a human in space. 20 years ago, Expedition 1 launched out of Kazakhstan with 3 crew members. NASA astronaut William Shepard and Russian cosmonauts Yuri Gidzenko and Sergei Krikalev. A neat fact is on the 20th anniversary, this Halloween, October 31st, 2020, there will be a rare blue moon. Now, the moon doesn't actually turn blue, but a blue moon is when we have the second full moon in a month. Now, Expedition 1 was on its way to the ISS, or the International Space Station. Back then, it wasn't this huge, marvelous space station it is today. 20 years ago, it was only 3 modules put together. They started to build it in 1998, and it took 2 years to get it operational for long-duration missions. So 2 days after launching, Expedition 1 docked to the ISS on November 2nd, 2000. So on November 2nd, 2020, we will officially have 20 years straight of astronauts on the ISS. There have been 249 people from 19 different countries rotating to stay there. Now, each astronaut that lives on the ISS has to work out for 2 hours a day to keep them healthy. This is so we prevent bones from losing their density because we have no gravity to work against. The ISS has gotten bigger over the years. Now it's as spacious as a 5-bedroom house with 2 bathrooms, a gym, and the cupola. Now the cupola is the large viewing window where astronauts can look down on the surface of Earth and we see all those amazing pictures that they take. Now it's not all just fun and games. The ISS is a research station. It's done over 3,000 experiments in its 20 years. It's traveling at 17,500 miles an hour around the Earth every 90 minutes, or an hour and a half. So this means astronauts get to see 16 sunsets and 16 sunrises each day. And it's not just NASA's space station, it's really complex. So there's actually 15 partners all together on the ISS. Now on to trivia. The answer to last week's question of what is the moon called when it is a circle is a full moon, like the blue moon. Now, this week's trivia question is, what is the name of the asteroid that NASA just sampled? Is it A, Fred, B, Eros, C, Bennu, or D, Pluto? Tune in next week to get your answer. Always be curious.